I've definitely had times where I've struggled with mental health.
There's been a lot of fun times with friends and meeting new people in clubs. However, there's been a lot of rough times, not knowing people in classes, moving to a whole new city and state.
I found that the best thing is to slow down and reassess where everything is at.
Doing some sort of exercise, physical exercise, helps with your mental well-being as well. Just going out, getting some sun.
Take a step back and enjoy time out in nature or with friends.
And these types of times, when I felt really at my lowest, I really realised that I couldn't do these things alone. I needed to draw on other people. I needed that support from other people.
My friends, my hobby, my cats.
A PhD is not linear. You go through those ups and downs, and those ups and downs can be really straining on your mental health.
Actually, I have one thing which cover all the area that I would do to maintain my mental health. So that one thing is conversations. It's very important for your PhD and your life in general.
I make sure I'm scheduling time to see friends, time to get enough sleep, and time to go for a run.
It can definitely be a real struggle, especially around exam blocks and assignments.
Everyone's stressed at that point, all your friends, it's just a crazy time.
Prioritising time ahead for the most important things, like when I have assignments due and when I need to go to work, has helped balance it out a bit and reduce the stress.
Because everyone was stressed, we're able to meet up together and study together. We can order pizza together. So even though we're studying and it's super intense, you can do it in a group, and it's really a shared community at that point if you're all stressed together.
Some of the things that I do if I feel my mental health going downhill is, firstly, I try and identify if there's a cause. So is there something I can do to control what's causing that, or is it just a temporary feeling that might pass?
Prioritise and cut back on things that I'm doing. So when I don't have the capacity, I need to reduce what's going on, and I just prioritise. So I just cut things out that I don't need to do.
And then I have a look and see what things in my schedule can I control.
When I'm stressed, I just go to that list. So I can go for a run, or I can go for a walk with a friend, go to the movies, just go paint my nails, something just absent-minded, do a jigsaw puzzle.
Problems that international students face are a bit different than problems that the domestic students face. And so having a good group to which I can go to, or having good friends to where I can go to and discuss my problems, that has been really good.
Really tangible tips that are like meal prepping and having things in your calendar, like reminder to eat. It might be really basic, but it's that simple that it gets you going for the day, and it's really helped me to be actually able to function as well.
I can't say I came up with this idea, I actually borrowed it from a friend. She makes a social schedule as well as her uni timetable. And I found that's really helpful, even as just scheduling in half an hour coffee date with someone on a really busy day, or going for a run with a friend in the morning on a Friday.
My suggestion is I always set a time. So before that time is my PhD, and after that time, by PhD, no PhD at all.
Things do end up working out in the end. So as long as you communicate well with lecturers and conveners, and also if you work with your supervisors, things do end up getting better over time.
I've really understood how important it is to have a mental health care team and seek help in the professional world as well. It's really important to seek help. We have free services on campus here. We have bulk billing medical people who can assist you on campus, and they are specialised people who can assist you, and it's incredibly important to be able to seek those services. I didn't do that initially, and I've found that it's been so important for me to do that in these later years, and I wish that I had done that earlier.